The future is unpredictable, but escalating inflation and expenses are a certainty. Therefore, you need a proper financial plan. As the name suggests, will the Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan ensure your future remains rock solid even in the face of uncertainty? Is Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan a prudent choice for your future? In this video, let us analyze the plan to find out whether investing in this plan makes your future better. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan is an individual, non-participating, non-linked savings life plan. The main features are option to pay premium once or pay for 5 to 12 years. It offers guaranteed benefits. Based on your needs, you may choose to receive the benefits as lump sum or as an income benefit. You have the flexibility to choose the income period from 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 or 35 years to match your life goals. You have 4 plan options, namely Income Builder, Family Income Builder, Fortune Builder and Dream Builder. Now let us look at the benefits of Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan. The benefits you receive will depend on the plan option chosen. Let's analyze the benefits in detail. Income benefit is same for Income Builder and Family Income Builder option. It is expressed as a percentage of annualized premium. There is no income benefit under Fortune Builder and Dream Builder option. Maturity benefit is same for Income Builder and Family Income Builder option. Along with the last income payout, you shall receive a guaranteed lump sum benefit, which is expressed as a percentage of total premiums paid. For Fortune Builder and Dream Builder option, sum assured on maturity is equal to guaranteed maturity benefit plus accrued loyalty boosters. Death benefit is same under Income Benefit and Fortune Builder option. The highest of sum assured on death or 105% of total premiums paid or the surrender value. For Family Income Builder, the highest of sum assured on death or 105% of total premiums paid. In addition to that, the company will waive off the future premiums and your family will start receiving the income benefit every month and lump sum benefit along with the last income installment. For Dream Builder option, death benefit is highest of sum assured on death or 105% of total premiums paid. In addition to that, the company will waive the future premiums and the beneficiary will receive the maturity amount when due. Now let us analyze the advantages and disadvantages of Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan. Advantages: flexible premium payment modes. You may take a loan against your policy with the maximum of 75% of surrender value. Income benefit or lump sum benefit can be chosen based on your personal requirement. Next, disadvantages: waiver of premium benefit is available only in select variants. Life cover is not extended during the income payout period. So far, the discussion is around the plan's basic details. Now let us evaluate the performance by calculating the returns. It is always wise to estimate the potential return from the investment and compare it with other investment opportunities. This will help you in investment decisions. A 35-year-old male has a 1-year-old daughter and he wants to build corpus for his child's future. He plans to purchase Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan with the Dream Builder option and pay rupees 1,50,000 per annum for 12 years to create a lump sum corpus after 20 years. The plan option Dream Builder doesn't offer any income benefit. On completion of policy term, a maturity benefit of 36.37 lakhs is receivable. The IRR for the given cash flow is 4.87%. The rate of return under the Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan is uneconomical for a long-term investment. Though the benefits are guaranteed, it is not wise to invest in a plan that has a fetching rate lesser than inflation. Now let us take the above scenario and look for other investment opportunities to invest. Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan offers life cover protection and investment opportunity. The same premium amount of rupees 1,50,000 can be utilized better. This can be done by purchasing a pure term life insurance policy for life cover and investing the balance amount for wealth creation. A pure term policy for a sum assured of rupees 16.5 lakhs would cost 13,700. For the same sum assured, the premium under the Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan is rupees 1,50,000. This leaves you with 1.36 lakhs for investment. The premium paying term in the earlier illustration was 12 years, but for pure term life insurance policy, the premium paying term is 10 years. So, for the next 2 years, the full amount is available for investment. PPF investment requires a minimum subscription of rupees 500 in a financial year for 15 years. In the previous illustration, the premium paying term is 12 years. So, adjustments were made in the last 3 years. After that, the account is extended for the next 5 years to match the maturity benefit under the Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan. The final maturity value under PPF is 45.99 lakhs. The IRR for pure term life insurance and PPF investment is 6.51%. Capital gains tax arise while exiting the ELSS fund. The tax calculation is given here. The tax amount is set aside before calculating the final maturity value. The final post-tax maturity value is 84.58 lakhs. The IRR for pure term life insurance and ELSS investment is 10.79%. This is a post-tax return. In these alternate investments, you get better returns than Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan. The IRR analysis clearly shows that investing for your life goals should be done separately and shouldn't be clubbed with insurance. Here is our final verdict on Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan. It offers 4 different plan options with various combination of income benefit and maturity benefit. Based on your requirement, you can choose one of the plan options. The plan offers life cover and allows you to invest your savings. The investment part under Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan is not satisfactory. The return on investment is at the rock bottom level. The plan fails to be a solid plan to protect your future. Investing in Pramerica Rock Solid Future Plan doesn't lay a good foundation for your investment journey. We suggested some alternate methods where there is a separate plan for your insurance portfolio and investment portfolio. Pure term life insurance will act as a safety net for your family, and your investment portfolio should be diversified across asset classes to meet all your future milestones. A professional financial planner can provide inputs and customize a plan based on your preference, risk profile, and financial goals. A detailed review of Pramerica Life Rock Solid Future Plan is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.